Hi friends, it's nighttime here, and I think I just heard something outside. Do you want to know what I heard? It sounded like whoo, whoo. I wonder what that was. You think it was an owl? Ooh, I think you're right. I know a lot of owls that make the sound whoo, whoo, whoo. Don't you? Do you sometimes hear that at night too? Oh, they're beautiful birds, aren't they? Well, today's story is actually about another kind of owl. But he doesn't go hoo hoo hoo. Let's read about him and find out. Today's story is called Barn Owls. It's by Melissa Hill. Shriek in the night. What was that? That was a barn owl. Barn owls don't hoot like other owls do. These pale owls shriek and hiss. They'll go, ee, ee. Barn owls live near open fields and deserts. They're often found inside empty barns. That's how they got their name. Look at that pretty bird. Barn owls are rarely seen during the day, but they live all over the world. Barn owls live on every continent except Antarctica. Look at this beautiful owl. Do you notice anything about this owl? Yeah, I see a heart right here around his face. Barn owls are called raptors. These flying hunters weigh 1 pound. Their wings stretch out about 3.5 feet long. Look at that. Wingspan. That's what we call a wingspan. That's a pretty long and large wingspan. Barn owls are nocturnal. In the dark, they hunt prey by listening. Their heart-shaped faces catch sounds made by small animals. An owl flies toward the sound of its prey. His long legs stretch out and he grabs the mouse with his talons. Can you see those talons? See those sharp, sharp claws? Those are called talons on birds. A barn owl can eat 1,000 mice in a year. Wow, that's a lot of mice. They also eat other very small rodents and rabbits and small birds. In the wild, barn owls can live 10 years or more. Look at that bird. What does he got right there? Yeah, that's why he's called a predator, because he eats live animals. Barn owls need to be good hunters. They have large families to feed. They may have as many as 9 chicks every year. Wow. Let's count these chicks. Owlets, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, they look different from their mom, don't they? After 2 months, barn owl chicks can fly. Soon, they will be hunting too. Look out, small animals. Look at that pretty bird. He's ready to go, isn't he? And that's our little friend, Roberto. I hope you enjoyed that story. I can't wait to hear what you noticed and what you wonder about. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye. Remember, you are loved.